Good morning, everyone. Let us now learn how to run non-plan pre-budget report. Once you log in into Oracle applications, click on Report Manager, click on Financial Report Submission. Click on Financial Report Submission, the Oracle Report Manager screen shall open. Enter the report name which you want to run. You can also search the report name by clicking on the search icon. Let's say the report name is Non-Plan Pre-RE Budget Report. So we can mention a part of the name with using percentage sign and can press tab. So let us write the name of the report in the report name field, which is percentage non percentage plan percentage pre percentage and tab. The purpose of putting percentage signs in between the words is in case we do not remember the name of the report correctly, we can use percentage signs in between. Enter the period for which you want to run the report. Let's say we enter ADJ percentage March 13 and press tab. In order to run the report for a particular institute, click on Segment Override. Enter the institute name here. Let's say we are running the report for NAM Hyderabad. The institute code for NAM Hyderabad is 602. You can also search the name by clicking on the Search tab. Click on Apply. Click on Next. Once you click on Next, the publishing parameters will be asked by the system. The system will take a default template in which to display the report. In case you want to change the default template, you can change it by clicking on the search sign. Click on Next. Now, the system will ask you to write the name of the report with which you want to save it. Now, let us write the name of the report as Non-Plan Pre-Budget Report with today's date as 12th August. Click on Repository. It will show you the list of all the folders which are available. Let us say we select the folder as CBT. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Click on Submit. Click on OK. Once you have submitted the report, go back to the navigator, Responsibility Report Manager. Click on Repository Management. Once you click on Repository Management, the Repository Management screen shall open. Click on Repository Management. It will show all the folders which are available in the repository. Click on the folder in which you have saved your report. Non-Plan Pre-Budget Report 12th August will be showing there. For viewing it, click on the view icon. Another screen will open which will show you the options to run the report in various formats. Click on the Excel format. Click on Yes and the report output shall open. The non-plan pre-budget report shall show the actuals for the last 2 years, the RE for the last year. It will also show the budget estimates for the current year. The report shall show the actual expenditures till August. The anticipated column shall remain blank. This is how we run the non-plan pre-budget report.